Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, and thank you for your subscriptions as well. For today's video, it's all about this influencer review that I'll be doing, and at the same time I would like to tell or inspire a small YouTuber just like me out there. And I know there are some big accounts as well, they might have heard about this, or small YouTuber, they might have heard about this, but I'm just all about inspiration, okay? And I want to give you the steps that you can follow in order for you to be on this influencer list and for you to receive these free products to review for them. Also, it's going to help you one way or the other, either to grow your followers or channels or whatsoever. But at the same time, I want to share with you the mistake that I made, and I received a Vox box that contains some stuff that I'm not really into. I will tell you how I made that mistake, and I will let you know how you can avoid it at the same time. So please do continue watching, and please let me comment down below. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and help me to grow in this channel. Please, my target before the end of the year, it's by God's grace to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I know by God's grace and by your efforts, by helping me, I will surely get there. Thank you all once again, and please do continue watching. So this is the box that I just received recently. I've received 3 from them in the past that I review on my Instagram. This is the first time I'm doing it on my YouTube channel to inspire small YouTuber just like me. This is a foam conditioner, daily moisture renewal conditioner for your hair, and is meant for fine flat hair just like mine, so that comes in handy for me. The next one is a sample by Vera Wine. It's a perfume, is a sample size, and it smells really good. I really like it. The next one that I pick up is the Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray. It's a deodorant. This one actually, I like it. My husband has been using it before, and it's a good stuff for him. Right now we don't have to pay for it, 100% free. The next thing that came in is the Malt Sensible Apple Raspberry. This drink will actually work for I have a 24-month-old baby, okay? So this is a good thing for him. Is the baby of the house is going to have this. So the last but not the least is that dog toy, which I was telling you, in order for you to avoid this kind of mistake that I made, make sure that whenever you're filling the survey, look at it very well if it's something that you actually want. If not, just opt out. That will not reduce your chances of getting boxes from them. It's just that they won't send you things that you wouldn't like. If you don't like it, you won't review it. So don't do that mistake that I made, please. And that was the card that came with it, and it has all the product at the back and information on it as well. And that's all I have in this box. Please don't forget to read the list that I posted with this video. So this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and I hope the small tips I was able to give, I hope you were able to get some few ideas and tips that will be helpful in order for you to be able to get on this list. And at the same time, it's depending on how active you want to be with this influencers. If you're very active, there's opportunity for you to receive more and more boxes, and they are all 100% free. They just want you to review their products and help the company and also their company to grow, and also by helping you to have more followers and more viewers and more subscribers. That's the way I see it, okay? And you just have to be honest. Like whatever you're reviewing, just be honest. Things that you've used before in the survey, those are the things you should opt for. If things that you're not into, I've always opted out. Whatever they send me something I'm not into, I'm going to opt out that I'm opting out of this survey, and they won't bother to send me stuff from that survey because I did not do it. So make sure there are things that you are into. If not, you will receive stuff just like that dog thing, toy, I don't know what it's called that I received, but just like that you will receive something like that, okay? The day that I was filling the survey for this particular Fox box, I was busy with my youngest child, and I was doing it, and at the same time I was attending to him because he was talking to me, and I kept on saying, okay babe, okay babe, okay babe, but I kept on hitting the button and on my phone, and I kept on doing the survey without taking care or being careful of what I'm answering, and at the end of the day this box came to me. I really appreciate everything that was in there. They are free 100%, but the only thing that I don't really like, and it's because I don't have a pet, I don't have a dog, that's why I don't really like that came with the Cherish box, Fox box. Okay, but I thank that company for sending me this, and that toy I already have a person that will be giving it to. I'm giving it to a colleague at work. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, would you please subscribe, and please leave me a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.